So Michael, where are we going?
We're going to Morganton. Through the Biscayne National Forest and multiple other side roads with scenery, and there's going to be beers and burgers and lots of stuff like that.
So what do we got today? What do we got going on?
We are biking our loads of wood back to our campsite. It's like roughly 27 miles to the river.
And everything is completely saturated.
Completely wet.
No, Zach, trying to fix bikes on the trail.
All right, Shane, day 2. Where are we going today?
Day 2, heading to Asheville. Find some food, some drink, maybe a bike cable, a radio cable. It rained last night, all good.
Oh, that looks
Check that out.
awful. That looks decent. And that's coming our way, I bet. So just finished dinner and it's about to dump on us tonight.
Yeah, it looks like that's going that way. It's going that way.
So far we've made it out of Black Mountain, avoided the worst of the rain at the moment. Gonna head down Old 70 to get to a campsite as quickly as possible and stay in between the bands of rain and hoping, oh, there's some thunder. Woo! So it'll be a fun descent. So day 3, coming out of Old Fort, had a good night's sleep, stayed dry, and we finally have some wonderful sunshine heading towards Marion, and then up to Old 105, and then down to Whippoorwill. Woohoo!